swimming pools, good or bad?
If I'm flipping a house, I'm never putting a swimming pool in unless it is in a destination area where every other house has a swimming pool.
So that's not on your list of things.
I've never built a pool, but I can only imagine
The
minimum 40 grand.
Yeah.
So I don't think so.
What are some trends that are definitely worth doing that people want?
So the past, 5 to 7 years, it's everything white, clean, white across the board, darker floors. Now we're starting to see light floors come in. Not really like if you go back to the 90s, you have that kind of yellow gold sheen. It's not really that. It's more of like a whitewash, maybe a little bit of gray in the stain, or a lighter brown color.
I can see that.
Kind of beachy feel, which I like. I kind of like that look. So we'll do the floors in this house like that. Probably still white paint, but what we're seeing coming in 2013 is more of a bold accent with it, meaning a dark wall to complement it. Or I saw one last week that I really liked, that they painted all the doors dark. It was like a dark navy up against white walls.
Pop of color.
In the past 5 years, that was not, I'd see it every now and then, but it's not as pronounced. But now in the past month or two, I'm really starting to see turn properties and new builds come in with more bold statements like that. And then especially when people stage or furnish their house from brand new, they're bringing in kind of like an older style, 60s, 70s vibe to the furniture, but like in a modern way. And it's funky, and I'm for it. I really like it.